Welcome again to the State Secretariat of our great party, the All Progressive Congress, APC, Edo State. Let me start by wishing you and all Edo people at home and abroad a Merry Christmas and ask God for a better New Year 2023. I also want to use this opportunity to appreciate all our party members, our elders and leaders across the state for their support since the beginning of this outgoing year. Recently, the Edo State Governor, Mr. Obaseki, elevated falsehood to one of his government policies when we asked for the details of how his government expended the over 17 billion the state received as arrears of the 13% derivation fund. In some states, flyovers have been constructed, new hospitals have been built, while in our own state, the governor is short of words to explain himself. Today, Edo people want Mr. Obaseki to account for the loans running into billions of naira, which he has used to mortgage the future of our state from the World Bank, the European Union, and other sources, such as the 25 billion and 18 billion naira from CBN in 2020 and 2021. 2, the 25 billion from capital market. 3, the 20 billion, 10 billion in 2 tranches, federal government bailout fund. The $75 million, third tranche from the World Bank loan. 10 billion refund, 16 billion refund from federal government of Nigeria for federal roads constructed by its predecessor. This aside from the federal government budget support facility, the excess crude account ECA1 secured term loan, the Central Bank of Nigeria Development Fund ECA2. As you are aware, we have since flagged off our campaigns across the state. Our people in Edo South, Edo North, and Edo Central across the 18 local government areas and the wards are receiving their campaign materials through our candidates for the Senate, House of Representatives, and the State House of Assembly. Of course, you know that the campaigns are all encompassing, with the selling point being our presidential candidate, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and his running mate, Senator Kasim Shettima, who will be in our state on the 5th of January 2023. In Edo State, we are all witnesses to the very dangerous variants of the PDP in a toxic government led by Mr. Obaseki, whose official policies of desecration, destruction, and demolition has inflicted with us with pain and anguish. Fire incidents. A large section of the popular Lagos Street Market in Benin City was gutted by fire some days ago. But rather than acting like a responsible government, the Edo State government went out for a scapegoat to blame for its inadequacies. For us in the APC, the blame for the many fire incidents across Benin City since Mr. Obaseki became governor is actually lying on the doorstep of the government. Is it the fire incident at the Santana Market, or Oba Market, Orogbeni Market, New Benin Market, Oliha Market, and even Ekiosa Market? For Ekiosa Market, it's ironic that after traders suffered losses in millions of naira to the Inferno, which destroyed their investment in 2020, the governor promised to compensate them with 100 million naira. To date, no single trader has received 1 naira. In all these markets, Mr. Obaseki also set up panels of inquiry to unravel the circumstances that led to the fires, with deadlines for the submission of reports. He even promised to rebuild the burnt sections of the market, employ more firefighters, and buy more fire trucks for the Ailing State Fire Service. None of the panels saw the light of day. Instead, Obaseki donated a very large section of the market, Ekiosa Market, to his friends and cronies to build and operate a Jara supermarket. Is this not at the expense of the traders who suffer huge losses? A short-sighted governor who replaced Children's Hospital with a supermarket, demolished the State Ministry of Agriculture and Natural Resources complex, and headquarters of the Edo State Library, where children of the masses access free books for another supermarket, will do worse. This is why we condemn Mr. Obaseki's insatiable appetite for supermarkets, because it is against the interests of Edo people. We now have it on good authority that the latest Lagos Street Market fire incident is just one of the many plans by the Obaseki's government to build new supermarkets on the location. As a party, we reject this evil plan because it is designed to forcefully take over Edo public market spaces intended for the masses and replace them with Obaseki supermarkets which cater for only the high and mighty. Edo people are better informed and now know for a fact that it's actually a vital aspect of Obaseki's government policy to set public markets on fire so that it can convert them into supermarkets. The pattern of fire incidents, Governor Obaseki's nonchalance over the years, speak volume. I call on all eligible voters in Edo State who have not yet done so to create time to go and collect their PVCs. We also caution them against selling their PVCs to Obaseki's PDP agents who are all over the place. Enough is enough. Collect and save your PVC so that you can vote for the APC in 2023. The time is up for Obaseki's reign of terror and fire and pains. Edo must move forward.